Hi guys, today we are going to using Ollama AI. This Ollama mode to like a local AI. We can download model as per our requirement based on your PC supports. So we can go to this ollama.com download, click the download, we go to this page, then we choose a platform your requirement based on your platform. Then for my case is Windows, I just click and download. Once you download and install as usual, once you complete it, then he pop up one screen look like this. So from my case, I'm using PI3. You want to download anything, you can click here, system automatically download for you. So you want to see how the capacity, the peak, everything, you can click here the model. You can see which ones are popular, which ones are newest. So based on that, you can download based on your PC speed and PC performance. So my case, since I have for demo, so I go for choose lowest. So list. Let's say go to Ola list. This will show me is a ID, so my local ID. So actually, then PI test. Then the size is 2.3. Then 4 days ago, I modified. So in order testing. So this is a confirm that we already using Ollama is active. Then are using this PI3 model. Okay. Let's move to Ollama how to integrate with the .NET. Once you completed, let's move to here. I'm using normal console AI applications. Just like you go to new project, choose the console applications. I'm using uh, 9 SDK 9 .NET 9. So this is how the applications work like. So from here, first I create the console right line. So this Ollama chat. Then I call the HTTP. Then the HTTP. Then this is my size. So what going to read from my input. So this is the most important part, request body. So PI3 is a model, then it's a false, make sure it's a string, it's a false. If you put true means the output is a similar like he will become is a similar like this 1 by 1. When you put true, his return type will be like this 1 by 1, for example. So make sure this one must be false. If you want to change the true, you want to make sure you have to changes of the code as well. So next again, model, I using this model, I change to string is false. Next, using message is a new array. So inside the array, I pass the role as a user and user input. User input from the what user type here. The most important thing is the role. So make sure the role is stated here. If you fail to state that, means its API doesn't work because this API is a chatting means you call based on the user. If let's say you don't want user, I just directly go for input. You must change to generate. The prompt must be changed because the chatting here, the API chatting how it's working means we integrated with the system AI with the user. So make sure you pass the role as a user. Next, then as usual, those are .NET users, application users. They know already how to serialize JSONs. Next is a we call the HTTP post methods here. Synchronize, we call this URL. This is a Ollama OI, Ollama AI, Ollama AI URL. So this is a standard local host. Make sure your Ollama is running you more probably can go to the last in the your clock at the you click that you can see the one small icon. Make sure it's running. So everything's fine. Then finally we click the get the result from here. We start to read. We get the response from here. Then we start to read. Then finally we get to pass into result and message. Because why you have to put this one? Because whenever we receive result into the JSON format, so we need to, okay, why we need to pass everything to get property, message, and contents? Why have to do this way? The reason behind is whenever they return from this response from this response, so everything's in the JSON format in the tutorial. Yes, so we need to convert to user friendly. So we need to change to the we get the purely the data. So we need to get the elements, then get the reply, then we find the reply. You're looking at the let me run. So you see my basic console applications running. So I just type C sharp. So you just read the take time to read. You realize or not? So every time it's a keep blinking, it's a waiting. See the waiting is a performance is based on your sometimes your PC performance, sometimes the iterations. So it might be delay little bits. So wait for a while. So see it's a simple way of the coding. Then this gives all the simple code. Then everything's okay. Then you realize or not? He kicked out from the application. It's not running anymore in debug. So this is the we want to integrate. So how we going to do that? So we're going to next. We want to working on this. Just a small change on this code. Nothing much. Exactly the same. We just need to do small changes. We have previous continuity. So every time we message here, then we exit from the console application. Why? Because of we receive. Then once we return, like once write lines, system think, okay, there's a stop, so we exit from this application. How are we going to interact with this AI? So let's say if I refer keep on message. So how we can do that? So we just pass the one loop where you need to put the before you write the questions. So before you read the question, write the questions, you put them into the loop. So once you put in the loop, what happen automatically? We just wait for until the loop until the communication stop. So how are we going to stop? So either we can close or we can use another method here. Looking at this one, type exit to quit. So how we can do that? We just pass here string and we just quit that. That's it. Let's run. So looking at this one, I pass I I. So you see, we wait for another response. Hey, I can help you today. So the previous one, once they exit from the loop, since it's the while, so it's looping, we waiting. So when we want to stop that, so from here I can close here. Another terms I can type the exit. Then you see we exit from the loop. Then we can close as usual. So this is how the Ollama chat we communicate with the local host. Thank you.